So guys, now this is the way we have to go to the second waterfall. That is called Dinar, but that is not a D-I-N-N-E-R Dinar. This is D-I-N-A-R Dinar. So after the first fall, that is Nongkirla, we have to walk like 3-4 minutes. So this is the way. Let's go and check it out. As you can hear it, guys, this is the place. We finally made it. Come on, let's go and check it out. This is the fall that is called Dinar in Jurikendeng. So enjoy the view.